Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. How are you all doing? Well, I just wish you all be doing good and must having a great weekend. So, as you all know, we talk about new projects, about their website, their pre-sale, airdrop if any, etc. And I always try to make it easy for you to decide where to invest, how to invest, and what you will get in return. So today I have a new project that I wanted to share with you all. They are having their pre-sale phase 1. So if you want to grab their pre-sale, if you want to join their pre-sale, so do watch my video, don't miss it. And let's begin. Let's move to our website. But before that, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so please do subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so you will be updated about my upcoming videos. Thank you.
Okay, so this is our website for today. It's Voice Token, a voice for the homeless. Voice Token is a crypto token launching on the Binance Smart Chain. Our aim is to aid charities for the homeless all over the world. Help us make a difference. So, Voice Token will be launching on Binance Smart Chain, and their aim is to aid charities for the homeless. They will be helping. They will be doing charities to help all the homeless in the world, and you can help them. You can join them in this cause, and you can help them to make a difference. So here we have some details about their public launch date. They will be officially launching on 1st October 2021. So we have a countdown to their official launch, 32 days and 14 minutes left to their launching. And here we have their pre-sale link. You can enter their pre-sale. You can grab their pre-sale to buy their tokens and some discount. Their pre-sale phase 1 has been started. You can join them. It will be ending by September 10th, I guess, at midnight, September 10th. So you can join the pre-sale phase 1 and grab a voice token and some discount. Here you can set your launch reminder, so you will be reminded about 24 hours before the voice token launch. So you can set your launch reminder. You can check their roadmap, white paper to get some more details and to get in detail about voice token and more information about voice token, their vision, their aim, etc. All right. So if you talk about voice token, their mission, their aim. So Voice Token is a crypto token launching on Binance Smart Chain. A 9% transaction fee will reward holders and donate significant sums to charity. Voice, a voice for the homeless. The Voice Token protocol is community driven, DeFi token. It starts simple. And since the advent of Bitcoin and ever evolving landscape that is cryptocurrency, people the world over has been focused on money making and yet fast. Stories of millionaires and billionaires day after day. So we know that everyone is going after money. Everyone wants to make money, and that too fast. Like they want to be billionaire, millionaire in just days. So Voice Token plans to change this game. They're working. Like they don't want to benefit only their investors, or they don't want to make the rich one more richer, but they're helping those who needs them, who needs everyone supports, who are homeless, who don't have shelter, and they will be doing charities to help those who are in need. So a 9% fees applies on every transaction, and it is with the proceeds of that this voice token can help so many around the world. All right, so you can join their community, you can join them on Telegram group, you can follow their social channels to get updated about their upcoming things. Like they have started their pre-sale. If you want to ask anything about their pre-sale, if you want to join their pre-sale, they will be starting their pre-sale phase 2, and then the launching, etc. You will get all the dates, all the details, and all the updates of their project in their groups, in the Telegram group and their social channel. So you must join them on the Telegram group to be part of their community, to be part of their team, and to know more about the project. So you must join them on their Telegram group and other social channels. Plus, you can submit your email address here to get the reminder before they launching, before voice token launching. You will get reminded about 24 hours before the launch of voice token. So you can submit your email address. Okay, let's move forward. Here we have the tokenomics. With every transaction, a 9% fee applies. It is with the proceeds that this fee, that voice token can help so many around the world. So 4% will be donated to charity, 2% reflection that will be redistributed to all the holders, and 2% for marketing and dev wallet, and 1% will be for liquidity locked. Here we can get some details about token burn, let me tell you that they won't be doing any burn. Countless tokens on the market burn tokens from each transaction. This is an attempt to increase the wallet holders by telling them that the price will drive up due to the decreased supply. However, the team behind Voice Token disagree with this logic. Burning tokens only serve one definitive purpose, that is to ensure the token has an expiration date, that at some point in the future that token will become worthless. So as I said, they won't be interested in burning tokens. Then the mindset that we all have created, like we know that the burning of token will decrease the supply and it will increase the demand, it will increase the price, but they disagree with this logic and they won't be doing any burn. They want the longevity and a healthy and long life of their tokens, so they won't be burning their tokens. Okay, so here we have the token supply. There will be a capped supply of 1 trillion voice token. This will never change. We will never burn any token. So we know they won't be doing any burn. They won't burn their token. So the total supply is 1 trillion. That will remain same forever. And here we can check the liquidity. Trust plays a vital role with every new crypto token. This is why voice token is locking the liquidity pool for 2 years to prevent any rug pull. Okay, so let's move forward. We have the white paper. You can download this and go through it to get some more details about the project, about their mission, their vision, etc. So if you want some more detailed information, so you can go through it. You can download this and read it. Well, we have their roadmap to know what they have achieved and what they're trying to achieve, what they will be willing to do in future. So we can see like establishment development team, they have completed white paper, completed identify tech protocols, completed confirm corporate governance, completed social media channels created, that is also completed. Then we have launch beta website completed, begin social marketing completed, pre-launch notification, white paper available on website, private pre-sale ongoing. So as I already said, they have started their private pre-sale phase 1 and public pre-sale will be started by 20th September 2021 and first charity donation they will be doing on 1st September and second charity donation on 1st September 2021. So, moreover, we can see deploy voice token on BSC, Pancake Swap listing, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listing, additional charity donations, and 1,000 voice token holders. Release charity voting app. Voice token dedicated wallet, voice wallet. They will be launching exploring exchanges, Bitmart, Whitebit, etc. Partner with global charities. 10,000 voice token holders and doubling their team size. Then we have retail partnerships for online spend, increase team size by minimum 50%, exploring larger exchanges, Binance, Kraken, etc., voice token merchandise, and 50,000 voice token holders. Then they will be willing to get voice token dedicated blockchain, voice chain, then global donations, target steady community growth, increase team size by 25%. Then dedicated NFT marketplace, voice exchange, beta launch, African voice token office for their online partnerships, 10,000 voice token holders. So they have a good mindset. They have already set up about their future steps, about everything. They have already planned everything very decently. So they will easily get some huge exposure of their project, and they will get it to the next moonshot. Alright, so you can find the pre-sale details on their website, like their public pre-sale phase 1 is started and it will be closing at midnight on September 10th, and the price on the pre-sale phase 1 is 0.0001 per voice token. Minimum buy will be $10,000 via USDT and maximum you can buy is for $10,000 via USDT. Then we have public pre-sale phase 2 that will be opening on September 20th and that will close at midnight on September 29th. The price in pre-sale phase 2 will be 0.00011 per voice token and minimum buy would be $100 via USDT and maximum you would be able to buy for $10,000 via USDT. Details will be coming soon on their website, so you will be able to find as soon as the first pre-sale will be completed, then you will able to find the details of second pre-sale.
Okay, so this was our website for today. They are having pre-sale phase 1 which will be ending by September 10th midnight. So you can grab their pre-sale, you can buy a voice token with USDT. So this is a great project. then they're not only focused on making money, but also they will be doing charities for those who are in need, who needs our support, who are homeless, or homeless people all around the world. They will be doing charities for them. So help them in making this change, help them in this good cause, and increase the value of your money by investing in this great project. Let me remind you once again, they will be launching their voice wallet, voice chain, voice market, voice exchange, etc. So this is a good project with some huge potential. You can invest in it to get a good return. I'll provide all the links in the description, so you will be able to access the website, and I'll provide their Telegram group, so you can join their community to be part of their group, to be part of their team, and you can ask them anything about the project, pre-sale, etc. Plus, you can join their social channels. You can follow them on their social channels to stay updated about the latest things of their projects. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the website. I hope you like their aim. You like the way that they are work. They will be working for charities, for the homeless in the world. So, do check out their website. Do check out their project. And if you like the project, do invest in it. Do your own research and then invest in. If you like the video, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell so you will be updated about my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.